Welcome back to FashionGo Dropshipping. In this video, we'll guide you through how to place a sample order. A sample order is where you, the retailer, can receive the product directly. To start, click the Find Products menu on the left. You can find the Order Samples button from the Product Details page and Quick View. Click the Order Samples button, then select the options and quantity you want to order. Once you're ready, click Add to Cart. From there, you can add more options or go to the cart page by clicking View Cart. You can revise the options, quantity, or remove the products from your carts page. Once you're ready, press the checkout button to proceed to the next step. Now you can review the payment methods and the products in your checkout page before submitting your order. Please make sure to double check the shipping address as it will be sent to you directly. You can always visit your orders page to check out the status of your sample order by filtering the order type. To learn more features on FashionGo, be sure to watch the rest of the tutorial videos and maximize your sales on the website.